This is John Young with the Weekend Handyman. Today we're going to be going through some of my picks for Lowe's Black Friday shopping for 2018. There's a lot of great things in this year's flyer, and I went through and did some kind of reconnaissance for you, went around the store a little bit, looked at some things, and I've got a few picks here I want to share with you on things you want to check out for this year's Black Friday shopping at Lowe's. First off, one of the things that you need to know is that Craftsman Tools are now being carried at Lowe's. You're going to be able to find a variety of different Craftsman products in Lowe's. Some of them are going to be featured in this little segment because there's a lot of great quality products made by Craftsman. And again, you've got different companies that Lowe's is carrying, so it isn't just Craftsman's great. There's a lot. They carry quality pieces across the board, but we'll be featuring some of those in our segment today. We're going to start off with one of the Craftsman products. This is the Craftsman 2000 series. This is the 72-inch wood workbench. Now, this little workbench is something that I saw in the flyer, and I thought, this is going to be really, really cool. So I went and spent some time looking at it in Lowe's. This is something for a person who doesn't have a workbench. You want to check this out because it's going to be running at $219 on Black Friday. It's a very durable workbench. I was really impressed with the stability and such of it. I think for someone who wants to get into a 6-foot workbench, this is something you're going to definitely want to check out. And it has a nice height. It's 41.5 inches high, which is a great working height for someone who's between 5'8" on up, somewhere in that ballpark, maybe 5'10". If you're a little bit shorter statured person, you're probably not going to like it because that bench is about 40 some inches high, and it's going to be, again, $219 this Friday. And up next, this is my pick for a combo kit from Lowe's for Black Friday 2018. Now, there's a lot of different combo kits that are available in different sizes and such, but I thought for the bang for the buck and the tools included, this was the best deal. This is from Craftsman. This is in their V20 series. This is an 8-piece tool kit in their 20-volt max system. Now, the benefit or the positive is that it has a lot of great tools for the homeowner. We're going to be able to buy these tools, and you're basically going to be there and good to go for a number of years. You've got a light, you've got a circular saw, a driver, a drill, a reciprocal saw, you've got an angle drill, you've got a jigsaw, and you have a sander. So you have a lot of tools that are going to be useful around the house, and for this Friday it's going to be $349. This set I actually purchased myself because I wanted to get into this after seeing the Craftsman tools. Benefits of this, a lot of tools that you're going to be able to use, and the 20 volt is going to give you the power you need. The only thing is if you're looking for the brushless, this is not a brushless system. You would be looking at a different set to get into that brushless world, but for the average homeowner, this is going to be a great investment at $349 for tools that are going to last you a lifetime. Kobalt has some different tool sets that are going to be available Black Friday that you definitely want to check out. There's going to be 3 of them that I'm going to be featuring. This is their combination adjustable wrench set. There's 3 different sizes that are going to be in this, a 6, 8, and 10 inch, which are basically the most common sizes you would need, and they are going to be about half off. On Friday, they are going to be half off. They're going to be running a $9.98 Black Friday only. This is going to be a great deal if you need to get the adjustable end wrenches. Then they have their 3 set of locking pliers that are also going to be on special Friday at $9.98. And I actually have this particular set also, and I absolutely love it. They work well. They're very durable. They're strong and such to do everything that a person needs to do for around the yard for repairs and such. Definitely a great deal at Lowe's this Friday. Next, we've got a pair of the tongue and groove pliers. Some people refer to these as water pump pliers, but you get a pair in this deal. And again, these will also be $9.98 on Friday. I have a set of these and I absolutely love them. The bigger one is 12 inches, the smaller one somewhere in that like 9-inch range, what have you. But they're very durable tools that are going to be able to last you a long time, and something that you definitely want to pick up this Friday at Lowe's. Now, this particular photo isn't the complete accurate photo. This set we're looking at right here is the pocket hole Jigmaster system from Kreg. What this allows a person to do is if you're going to be making frames, like a picture frame or something, this will allow you to be able to drill and add boards end to end or side to side. Instead of having to screw them face to face, you screwing them on this together on the short side or the narrow side. This little kit's kind of a neat kit, and I purchased this on Black Friday. I want to show you the actual picture. On Black Friday, you're going to be able to get that kit at the $139 price, and then they're adding a $40 package of accessories with that this Friday only at Lowe's. Definitely something that isn't for everyone, but if you're interested in this type of thing, or if you have a significant other who's interested in this, this is a great deal you want to definitely check out. If you've got power drivers, you want to definitely check out this DeWalt 100-piece screwdriver bit set. It has basically everything you would need for your power drill. You've got different bits and such for what you're going to be using. You've got actually drill bits. You've got different lengths, what have you. They're all there in this set, and you get all 4 of these. And Friday, this $25 package, which is regularly $49.98. You can see it right there. On Friday, it's going to be $17.98. So you're going to get a great deal on basically all of the drivers you would need with your power tools. Our next pick is another Cobalt Tool Set. This is a 230-piece tool set that has basically everything you would need for the homeowner. On Friday, this is going to be at a reduced price of $149, which it is right now, but it has pretty much everything you would need. It has levels and different, your hammer, and you've got your heavy-duty wrenches and screwdrivers, everything you would need, socket sets. It's all there for a one purchase, and you have it all for home use. Next, we're looking at another product from Craftsman, and they've got a few different tape measure sets available, some less expensive ones from Craftsman, more expensive ones. This is my pick. There's others from DeWalt and different companies that are going to be available also, so you can get your favorite brand. The reason I like this particular 2-pack is you get 2 25-foot tape measures, and they're $25, and that's what the price will be also Black Friday. But what's neat about this particular one is it has that 13-foot blade standout, which means that I can extend it out and reach out to hook on something at a distance away as I'm kind of feeding that tape out, and it will go up to 13 feet away. A lot of tape measures, they get out 6 feet and then they'll start to kind of bend or flip to the side. This is a more durable blade and a little wider blade that's going to be able to extend out 13 feet, which is really convenient when you're doing projects where you're trying to go and measure, say, a sheet of plywood or something. So definitely something to check out. Again, they're going to be $24.98 this Friday at Lowe's. Next, there's a couple of different screwdriver sets that are going to be available on Black Friday. This particular one is an 8-piece. This is the kind of the main one that they're featuring. 8-piece, and it's in the black handle, which the black and red is kind of the new Craftsman or the moniker, what have you. That's an interesting set. I'm going to put it that way because they have a bigger set. If you don't mind the black and the red, if you don't mind the clear handles here or whatever, if you have a preference one way or the other, this is $5 more, but you're getting a lot more screwdrivers. Now, it's not the same quality level as the other one, but for the average homeowner, this would be my pick at $25 for the 25-piece screwdriver set. Now, the one I purchased was the 12-piece one. I wanted the black and the red, and I wanted the 12-piece one that has some additional things to it. Specifically, it has that little red box you're seeing right there, which will magnetize or demagnetize the screwdrivers. I wanted to have that with my kit, so this is the one I purchased. And again, these prices that you're seeing with most of the things from Lowe's, they're already those prices in the stores. You can go and check it out. A few things are going to be discounted come Friday, but most of them are already marked down. Well, that's my pick for Black Friday 2018 for my Lowe's purchases. If there's some cool things you find at Lowe's this year that you want to share, please put those down in the comment section down below. That way we can share the ideas of what great deals there are out there when you're looking for tools. This is John Young with the Weekend Handyman. Thank you for watching.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.